Just got trigger short on the NASDAQ. Please join us as we have a couple of interesting trades about to run. All right, everybody, how are you? Good morning, team. Hello, William. How are you guys? So I think this Nasdaq short is a nice trade. So my stop losses are above, the London. This doesn't work here on a Pepperstone. This indicator. Is there buying Nas? No, I'm short the Nasdaq, mate. I am definitely, most definitely short the Nasdaq. Um, and I am looking for pound yen short. So basically, here's that indicator looking good. So my entry was right here at at this level. So price is right at my entry at the moment. My stop losses are above these highs or above the Asian session range high, right? So if price breaks with the Asian session range, I am out of the trade. If not, I am still on the trade. Now, buenos dias, good spread. OB, ABOB, how are you, mate? I have some gold buy limits in place. I'm going to keep these buy limits for a while now. So I'm going to keep this US 30 also. I'm sorry. Jesus. Buy stop on VIP. Let me see. Uh, oh, yes. I'm sorry. Thank you, ABOB. Always, please, always point these things out to me. All right? Always point these things out to me because you already know shit, I forgot. So this Nasdaq running hot. You're more than welcome, VIPs. So basically, I'm looking at this, guys. I'm looking at the pound yen, possible longs on the pound yen. Um, I've been looking at the 14,000 zone testing previous resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Thank you, William. Yeah, allergies acting up. I don't like to. I mean, I'm super allergic, right? When I was young, I broke my nose, right? I fell from I fell from a tree whilst I was at school. I was very young, kindergarten or so. So I had the idea to eat my lunch on the top of this tree, right? And I fell. Well, I finished my lunch, so I dropped my lunchbox, right? And then I hung myself like a bat with my feet, and I started to swing, and the inertia of the swinging caused me to, to lose my grip and fell face first onto a root that was coming off the ground, so I destroyed my nose. That was back in 1987 or 86, and I had to get a rhinoplasty, and a rhinoplasty in El Salvador at that period of time was not the best kind of plastic surgery. So I ended up with, a twisted nose. So when it's allergy season, I get a ton of allergies. All right, so that was story time. Yeah, we're going to have a look at that Nasdaq. For the time being, short-term plays on the Nasdaq shorts is the way to go. I'm going to create some content about this. Uh, you know, I made a mistake myself, guys. If you notice, I only have 4 lots short on the Nasdaq. I should have 8. I forgot to place the other sell limit here um, because I'm going to take partials at these lows, right? So because I made the mistake, I'm not going to take partials, but I'm going to send the signal to do so anyways, right? It's fine uh, by me. All right, so the pound yen, let's have a look at the GBP USD. So I hate that this indicator doesn't work with the Pepperstone feed. Uh-huh. Oh. So I have to go to FXCM, for example. Now, pretty funny thing that we missed this short of the pound US dollar. Oh. So again, same thing. Look at this thing, right? Missed this opportunity here on the pound US dollar, but I am going to try to find, let's see if we can find the opportunity on the Euro USD. No, the Euro USD is kind of higher. The opportunity to go short on the Euro USD is kind of higher, right? So the Nasdaq still running here in between, still battling still a big battle between buyers and sellers. Pound yen longs, I like it. Strong uptrend till sell zone. Yes, we're going to get some pound yen longs today. Now, just have a look at this. Let me just remove the drawings. Looking at this big ass imbalance, this is where I would love to get sales on the Euro US dollar around, these levels. There's two imbalances. I'm going to point them out. So here's the first one, first imbalance here, right? And the second one, a smaller one, second imbalance here. So here's that opportunity that this market is giving me, right? Now, why is this the opportunity that the market is giving me, guys? Because if you notice here, we had I'm going to explain to you basically what my entry model is all about. Just checking the NASDAQ. I mean, yeah, I'm fine if I hit stop loss on the NASDAQ, which I don't think it is. So, This is the 3-minute chart, right, on the Euro US dollar FXEM's data feed, just because I need this indicator to trade my entry model. So, this indicator is just, it shows me the Asian session range, the London range, the New York range, right? That's it. That's the only thing that it shows me. But I need this indicator. So very strong downtrend today. The London session broke with the Asian session highs, but the New York session, right, is breaking with the London session lows. That doesn't matter to me. What matters what matters to me is this clean break. Now, this to me would only be pullbacks, right? So basically, what I want to do is this. I want to enter around here. I'm going to place. I'm going to place an entry right at the bottom of this imbalance because I want to get filled, right? I'm going to sell. Oh, shit! I need to go here to sell this. Euro USD, right? I need to go to Pepperstone. Where the fuck is it? Here. Yup. All right, so here it is. I'm gonna place it just below that cell here. All right, let's see how much am I risking here. That's too much. So I'm risking 0.72%, as you can see here. If you can connect your account to TradingView, do so. It's amazing. So I am going to, first of all, I like round numbers, right? For my TP, 6.5, I have OCD like this. So I am going to put on 1.1 lots here. I'm going to risk 0.35% of the account, and my TP is going to be, shit, that Euro USD move. Let's have a look at gold also. Oh, wait, maybe we got triggered gold short? Gold long? No! NASDAQ? Oh, damn it. Oh, that's so goddamn stupid. Well, maybe we're going to get triggered gold long here. Let's have a look. Oh, all right, so. And my TP should be on the 50-minute chart. Yeah, should be here. This is my trade on the Euro US dollar. So gold, okay, come on, and I'm going to move my TPs in gold. I mean, TP1 should have been hit. I'm going to leave it as is, looking at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's still looking good. So, bro, your volume is low when you are away from the mic, but when you come closer on the mic, sounds okay. All right, hold on. I'm gonna put my mic here. All right. Gold. Oh man, I don't think we're going to get triggered here. Gold long for about 3 pips or so. Now I'm going to protect myself against a possible pullback here on the Nasdaq. But this is news driven. I think we have JOLTS numbers, right, and PMI. That's right. This is news driven. So I'm fine with this. This is a shame in gold longs, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's my Euro US dollar. And let's keep moving on. Pound yen. Well, yeah, I'm still possibly looking for pound yen longs, but Oh, look at the UAM. Um, what is this? Hold on. Can you hear that noise? All right, I'm good with the Nasdaq. I'm gonna monitor gold now. This is just a beautiful move in cleaning all this liquidity. There's still tons of liquidity left to be cleansed. But I don't think we're going to get triggered gold long, which is a shame, right? Was a spot on, gold long. In hindsight, I don't think I did anything. Positioning my stop, my with my limit position. I don't think I did anything wrong. Sometimes you're not going to get triggered. That's how it goes. Right. Yens. USD CAD. Aussie. Aussie. US dollar, Japanese yen, USD. Yeah. So this is the thing. Very nice. All of this trend line liquidity was taken out. Very nice hit on this order block on the US dollar for downside continuation. Could be downside continuation, could not be. No one knows, right, what's going to happen with the markets. But you trade whatever it is that you see. So kind of a boring open, right? But I am going to leave my Nasdaq shorts run either to first target, right, which I missed to enter, on position, and or stop losses. Now let's wait and see if gold goes all the way down to our buy limit, and that's about it. Do you have any questions, guys? If you don't, this is going to be a very short-lived, um, you know, um, yeah, very short-lived um, live show, guys. All right. So if you're not part of the VIP, I mean, this is what we do, right? This is what we do. There's a 30% discount if you use this code. Hello, Summer. All right, GBP USD. Oh, I was talking about the GBP USD, right? Let's have a look here. Yeah, I was talking about possible longs on the GBP USD. Shorts, I'm sorry. No, I was talking about shorts missed on the GBP USD, which would have hit. Just have a look at this. This is the short that I missed on the pound US dollar. Here's that inefficiency in the market that I should have entered at this level. Yeah, I mean, the thing is that I lost. There was a power blackout here. I mean, I don't live in the city per se. I live outside the city. So when there's a very, very big storm, sometimes very woodsy where I live, sometimes, big branches fall off the trees and they cut the electricity lines. And because I start my day at, I'm sorry, at 2 a.m., all right, yesterday I was going to start at 1 a.m., well, there's absolutely no support from the local authorities um, about this, so there's nothing I can do but to go back to sleep, right? Try to wake up 2 times, one at 3 a.m., still no power, and at 5 a.m. still no power. So yeah, I mean, I started very late, and I couldn't go through all of my you know, all of my what markets that I trade. But this was a great short, right? I would have closed everything here for about 2.65 R. After that, Joel's numbers move, pretty bad one that we missed. Still with this one, you know, this I don't. I'm thinking about. Well, nice. So nice short on the Nasdaq, guys. Heads up. We are up. I'm gonna make some constant for Instagram. We are up 46 pips. All right. Right there. Beauty. The thing of beauty. I'm gonna do some Instagram content. All right, guys, another day, another winning trade for the VAPs. Now on the NASDAQ shorts. This morning, sniper entry right here. You know what? I'm going to recreate it because I'm going to use. Now you see me as a influencer. All right, guys, another day, another winning trade for the VAPs. Today on the NASDAQ, just look at this amazing sniper entry short on the NASDAQ. Currently up 1.5 R, about to take 75% of my trade and moving stop losses to break even. Right, so take 75% off and move stop losses to break even. I can't do that because I fucked up, but here we go. Um, all right, so there you go. More money made for the VIPs. I fucked up, guys. I'm not able to do that, but you should. This would have been my trade management. Remember, I always take 75% off at 1 R, and yeah, and let the rest of it ride. So good, money, money, money. All right, I like creating stories like this. I don't know why. I dig it. You know, my girl, she's a designer. She designs purses. That's why the difference between her side and my side. But she's great. She's big here, and yeah, she taught me everything about creating, content for social media. Do you think it's wrong use was 0.7 that because cannot use good risk to reward? I don't know. This is about you. Yeah. William, of course, mate. Beautiful trade, right on the Nasdaq. You know, you only need one fucking trade every day to make money. There's no reason why you should be. I mean, I hate that I couldn't take, partial profits here, but it is what it is. I fucked up, because I did everything a little bit too in a hurry because, because I started a little bit late, but it's fine. Orlando, you just a limit around. Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry about that. Let's have a fucking look. I think I'm gonna delete it. I know, I'm not going to delete it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to the swing trading group. This is a swing trade, guys. Hopefully. 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 The 15-minute. So here's what I'm going to do. So now I'm risking a little bit too much. So I am going to go 0.85. Yes, perfect. 0.85 for a 6.7 R. Boom. This is a swing trade group, a swing trade guys, a swing trade for the swing trading group. Shishi. Yeah, I'm gonna send this after the show. Uh, if you're part of the VIP group, you're welcome for the free money. And it's a shame that we didn't get filled here long on, gold. I am, however, going to delete this order. We didn't get filled, and the thing. All right, I'm going to delete this order because of two things, guys. Um, One, because we didn't get filled on this week low right now. If price does this, right, this is the big move to the downside. But if price does this and then comes back down, this market is still very bearish, right? Still very bearish. So the probability of us getting stopped out is higher. So I am deleting these orders, canceling orders in gold, right? You are intraday traders, so if sometimes the pending order not trigger in same day, we should delete it. I mean, if you follow my trades, I'm going to, I'm really going to um, tell you what I'm doing, in the sense that I'm going to tell you, um, you know, if I delete the order or not. For example, this week we've had four trades. One small loss yesterday on gold and three big wins. One of those big wins was on the pound yen. Hold on, let me just alert the groups that we should delete golds. All right, so here I'm gonna take my bag here. Let me see. I'm gonna take my bag here. All right. I'm just going to, you know, get a screenshot of this because social media. uh, all right, so I am taking my bag here. Boom. And should be closing the rest. Close the rest for an extra hour. All right, so hold on just a second, guys. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. All right. Uh-huh. All right, so there you go. That was me today. I'm done for the day. There's no reason to keep on trading. I already made money. And you remember that making money long term is about making money and not giving that fucking money back. It's already hard enough to make that. To make it. If you have any questions, go ahead, shoot right now. it's time. I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes while I post something on the free group. Any questions, guys? Final targets might be eventually get hit, but I'm good with banking to R here. Booyah shaka. All right. So no questions. Thank you for joining me. Eventually targets got hit. Good. Trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.